Hello guys! Welcome back to Junbi Vlogs! Ang pamilyang gala na laging gutom! So yan guys, it's been a couple months that we haven't have any uploads here in YouTube, but now we're back. So you guys, thank you so much guys. We're gonna start now posting some videos. Some of it will be some late uploads, so watch out for it guys. Thank you so much guys. See you guys. Bye.
Every year we visit here. Hindi siya nakakasawang puntahan. So, yeah, lagi kami nagka-camping dito sa area na to. So now Daddy's back. Marami na naman tayong mapupuntahan. Pwede din dito mag-fishing guys. Marami din nag-fishing dito pag summertime. Yes. Takbo ng takbo.
Oh yeah, wait. Wait for us. Stay there.
Lagi nangunguna. So, yun guys, yun lang. Nagpicture lang kami. Tapos, lang yan. Exercise. Yeah. Marami rin pumupunta dito mga tourist doon. Pwede ka mag-park doon. Pwede rin dito sa kabila.